Okay, we'll be using this bus to tour the city of Dubai. Wow, nice. And my wife is getting our tickets.
Pagbababa
Tinutur na
kayo,
kami. Sige, Pilipino.
bababa po kayo, so stop number 5, may complimentary kayong river cruise. Yung river cruise along Dubai Creek, start ng 10 o'clock every hour. Yung last one, it's 4 p.m. So along Dubai Creek yan, 1 hour. Libre yung kasama yung para ticket ng binayaran. After ng boat trip, yung bus the same place, pick upin kayo doon every 30 minutes. In the same place kung sa'yo. Andito naman yung timings.
Diba? Sa lahat ng every 30 minutes may dumadaan, hindi lang point na yun.
Andito yung timings. So, yes. After nyan, punta kayo ng market.
Sine-explain sa amin paano pag-alis.
Clothes, makatry kayo ng local food dito sa Old Market.
Wala pakihawakan?
Tapos, go
sa akin.
So you are here for tomorrow full day. Kasi I'll suggest do one line today full day and then tomorrow full day the full line.
This is one line and this is one
Tomorrow,
line.
yes. So tomorrow we start also here 9 o'clock. Kapag mamimiss nyo yung 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10, 10:30, every 30 minutes.
Ang maganda pala, 9 nandito na kami para makuha.
It's up to you. Wala nang problema. Yung blue line kasi, if you're gonna stay on the bus, you're gonna finish it within 2 hours and 15 minutes. So yung places makikita nyo sa blue line is Mall of Emirates, the second largest mall with a ski. Blue Water Island, yung Ferris Suite, like London Eye. Dubai Marina, where you can public beach. Bayside, tallest block, Atlantis. Pagdating nyo ng Atlantis, ito yung station kung saan yung makukuha yung aquarium na included sa ticket nyo. Kahit mag-spend kayo doon ng 30 minutes, 1 hour, walang problema. On the way back, it will bring you back to Dubai. Okay po. Since 2 days naman kayo dito, yung ticket nyo is only for the day. So red line and the blue line. So I'll suggest you may upgrade your ticket for this Dubai by night. Kasi different view of the day and the night. If you want to do this one, yung tour namin magsa-start dito sa Dubai Mall ng 4:30 PM ng hapon. So meaning to say, kapag matapos nyo yung red line, magbaba kayo dyan ng 1 hour, 30 minutes, kung balik kayo dito, yung bus namin dito, 4:30, dadalhin kayo sa island. Ito yung harbor. Makakarating kayo dito ng 5 PM.
Ano itong mga Pilipino natin? Pwede ba kayo evaluate?
Yes po, yes po. So ito yung tinatawag namin na Dubai by night by sunset. The bus will depart here 4:30. Dadalhin kayo sa harbor ng 5 PM. Pagdating nyo doon, you're gonna see the sunset first, the skyscraper, and you will do the boat trip. So the difference between this boat at saka dito sa boat na kasama sa ticket nyo, dito small lang siya. Whatever you can see on the bus, on the boat, the same thing. While in the boat here in the marina, it will goes inside marina.
Ano marina ito?
Yes. Yes po. So sa boat na yan, may kasama na siyang food. Yung food, dinner, including appetizer, main course, and dessert, and the drinks. Sorry, baka makapan pa kayo. Oo, copyright. So, you're gonna sit in the upper deck o sa boat. Ang kagandahan nito, pupunta yan ng Dubai Marina sa loob. Ito yung makikita nyo. Yung skyscraper along Dubai Marina.
Sorry ha,
No
sa mga
problem.
nanonood
so,
ko.
yung cruising na to within 1 hour and a half, makikita nyo din yung Blue Water Island. Tapos makikita nyo din yung Atlantis the Palm at saka Burj Al Arab changing colors at night. In the same bus, pabalik dito siya ng 7 PM.
Wala bang ano? Sige.
Ang fountain. May fountain. Yun yung sa night tour naman. Yun yung tinatawag namin dito, sir. Ito yung tinatawag namin na sunset cruise in the marina, including the dinner. Tapos may kasama din kayong tour sa night. Ang pagkaiba naman dito sa day tour at saka night tour, yung night tour namin is a panoramic. Meaning to say, is not hop on, hop off. Mag-stay lang kayo ng bus. Mag-start siya dito ng 7 PM din. Yung night tour, pupunta yan ng downtown Dubai para makikita nyo yung Burj Khalifa. para makita nyo yung fountain katulad nito. Tapos pupunta kayo ng Future Museum. You can see this Future Museum at night. Palace, Marina, pabalik dito ng 2 hours. Yung tinatawag namin siya Dubai by night. So 2 activities po to siya kasama sa ticket nyo. May Marina cruise kayo sa dito sa Marina at saka may tour kayo sa night.
So how many nights kayo sa lang?
Dalawa.
Dalawa?
It's not, pwede yung pagsabayin ng 4:30 dito.
Hindi, magkano yung isang
Since may ticket na kayo,
yung isang night lang?
yun yung 4:30. Yun yun.
Yun yung, kung i-upgrade siya kami, magkano?
Ito, ipapakita ko sa yung difference. Para makita nyo yung how
So,
Dubai.
ganun lang ha, ganun na ano. Oh, bibili na lang kami. Okay. Hello, this is Dubai. Hello, how are you? So handsome. How are you?
This is red line, big bus.
Yeah, okay. Panik tayo sa taas. Ako na lang pala hinihintay, sorry. Ay, nako. Ha? Sorry, this is it. Okay. This is it. Yeah.